Welcome to the course on how to log in on the Amazon Easy Portal. Why do you need to log in on the Amazon Easy Portal? Any customer who purchases on Amazon through your store will be identified as an Amazon Easy customer only if you have first logged in on the Amazon Easy Portal, that is store.amazon.in. If you go directly on Amazon.in and place the customer's order, he will not be identified as an Amazon Easy customer and you will not get the commission of New Customer Bounty or NCB for that order. By the end of this course, you should be able to log in on the Amazon Easy Portal, store.amazon.in, set a new password for your login if you forget it, know what to do if you are getting a login error. To log in on the Amazon Easy Portal, go to store.amazon.in. The login says Amazon.in Associates, which means that you need to enter your store email ID and password here. This login is exclusively for Amazon Easy stores and it is different from the customer login. Amazon approves access for every store which can log in here. Please note, once you log in, the system will remember your login for 30 days and you won't have to enter these details every time. If you use a different device or reset your system before 30 days, then you will need to log in again. Once you have logged in with correct email ID and password, you will be able to view the home page. Anytime you search for products for a customer, you must start here, from the home page on store.amazon.in. Now let us see the 3 login scenarios that you must know. Scenario 1. If you are not logged in on store.amazon.in, you will see this screen which says Amazon.in Associates. Scenario 2. If you are logged in on store.amazon.in and the customer is not logged in, you will see this screen which says Hello, sign in at the place of customer login. Scenario 3. If you are logged in on store.amazon.in and the customer is also logged in, you will see this screen which says Hello, Ritika, or the name of your customer at the place of customer login. Please note, you can log in on store.amazon.in on maximum 3 devices at a time using your store email ID and password. If you are running any marketing activity outside the store that requires you to take orders, then it can be done using this method. Now that you know how to log in and what the different login screens look like, let us see what to do if you are facing a login error. There are 2 types of login errors you can face. Your password is incorrect. If this happens, please recheck the password you have entered. A typing mistake can also lead to this error. In case you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset your password by clicking on the Forgot Password link. When you click on this link, you will have to enter your email ID and enter the characters given on screen. Once you do that, click Continue. A mail will be sent to your mail ID with a link to reset your password. Once you click on this link, you will be able to set a new password. Check your credentials. This happens if your access to store.amazon.in has not been given or has been suspended. Please reach out to your partner to get your access restarted. Please note, this error will also appear if a customer logs in here by mistake. This login is exclusively for the Amazon Easy stores. Please note, if because of either of the 2 errors you are unable to log in on store.amazon.in, follow the steps given and contact your partner if further help is needed. Warning: do not go directly to Amazon.in to place orders, as those will not be counted as part of Amazon Easy and you will not receive commission on New Customer Bounty or NCB for them. Now, let's summarize what we have learned today. How to log in into the Amazon Easy portal using your store login ID and password. How to reset your password if you have forgotten it. What to do if you are getting a login error. Thank you and happy selling with Amazon Easy.